Uh,
Yeah.
Fine. So I'm currently working in Tech Mahindra. I'm working in one of their logistics project, and I have total 4.5 5 years of experience. Um, Mainly, I was working on Power BI and SQL, but recently, since I switched my project, they are expecting me to work on SAS now. Also, yeah, yeah, I've been working in data analysis field for last 4.5, almost 5 years now. So, like I said previously, I was working on Power BI and SQL, but I recently switched to the new project, and that new project we are using SAS. So that's the reason why I'm planning to learn SAS program.
Okay. You're expecting for the development, right?
Yes, yes. So, it is data analytics. So basically, what we do is we get the data from other team, and what we have to do is we have to write the codes and generate the insights. So we have what we are doing here is we are coming up with the new rates for our client. Uh, every year we come up with the new rates. So that's the project that I'm currently part of. So what I have to do is we get the transaction data, and then we have to come up with the new rates for our client. So that involves complete a lot of data analytics, and all this is done through SAS programming. And there are some pre-written codes, but mainly the issue will arise when they ask me to edit the code. So going forward, obviously there will be some lot of changes they implement in their strategies, and when they implement those strategies, we have to go and make some changes in the codes. So I should be familiar. I feel that I should be familiar with that. And moreover, since it's been almost 2 months, 2.5 months since I joined this project, and there was also in-house training for us, but I felt that it was not sufficient. And also, I did enroll some of the online courses, but again, I feel that I mean, I was not able to. I won't say understand, but I just feel that it was not sufficient for my understanding. So that's the reason why I'm uh, planning for this course.
You're using the enterprise guide, right?
Sorry.
Are you using the what kind of SAS tool?
So the codes are run on SAS Studio.
Okay.
Yeah, so the all the codes are written in SAS Studio. There are some team members there. They make the changes in the codes on SAS Studio, and they run the codes through SAS Studio. But my mentor or my senior, with whom I am aligned with, they suggested me to run the codes through Putty, Putty, Putty. So what I do is I go to WinSCP. We have the codes there. If there are any changes in the code, like I do make some small changes, like I update the directory of the data.
Yeah.
I mean, just update the path of the new data and run the codes, and I do it through WinSCP and Putty for now. But going forward, I they are expecting me to shift completely to SAS Studio. I mean, any changes has to be done in the SAS Studio, and I want to run the codes on SAS Studio. So I will be able to see the output generated through the code. Because right now, what happens in WinSCP is that it is not generating the output. I mean, it will
Yeah.
just show the output file, and yeah, I guess you're familiar with that, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It
So
will
that
create all the data sets and all, and you need to open through SAS Studio then.
yeah,
That is
I want to run the codes on SAS Studio, but so that I will be able to see the output, and I will understand what's happening with the code, right? Like once we run the code and see the output, we'll be able to understand what's happening in the code. But when we do that on WinSCP, I'm not able to understand what's actually happening with the code. So that is causing me little inconvenience to understand the process. So
okay. Yeah. Good. Basically, you want to familiar with the SAS coding and all on the SAS tools as well. That
right,
is
right.
what you're expecting, right?
Right, right. Like I have some fair knowledge on SAS, but I won't say I have. 100% knowledge, but I am familiar with few some of the project, some of the concepts, but I don't think that
Mm-hmm.
would be sufficient for me to work on this project. That knowledge won't be sufficient. So yeah, I was actually looking to gain the
Okay.
complete knowledge on SAS.
Yeah. We will cover on all the data steps and procedures.
Karthik,
Procedures.
your voice is not clear.
Is
I'm
it fine now?
Yeah, but in between
Yeah.
conversation,
Sorry, probably I am out of the city. That's
okay,
why.
okay.
Yeah,
No,
we will.
yeah,
Yeah.
continue, please continue.
Yeah, we will cover all the data steps and advanced concept like procedures and all.
Okay.
So once we done that, you have any doubts regarding your project, yeah, or whatever procedures you are using in this. So we will do those as well if you
And
want. Yeah,
what about macros, Karthik? Because
yeah, we
like,
will continue the macros in the advanced section. Yeah, we will do
okay.
that macros also.
And Karthik, does it how long will it take to complete the entire thing?
And I think it depends on our cost and whether 15 to 30 days we can and complete it. Do
Oh,
you want very fast or
okay, okay. And
you want any much faster or
I
is it
mean,
long?
no, I mean, I don't have any preference. Like it can be either way, whichever you are comfortable with. I mean, how you feel will be a good way of teaching message. Then I'm okay with that. If you feel that if some of the concepts are not very important in real time examples, then we don't have to go too deep into that. But some of the
Yeah.
concepts like do loop and arrays, I think that those things I've seen in the code, and I'm struggling to
Okay.
understand that part. So if we can spend some time on those topics which
Yeah.
we use in real time projects, then I think that would be more.
Yeah. Definitely. We will cover those things.
Oh, okay, Karthik. So maybe like it will take another like 1 month or 20 days.
Sorry.
Uh,
So any questions, Sumant?
yeah. So I was asking like if it will be a weekend or weekdays class, and how long will the course, and like will it take
Uh,
20 days?
might be we will do in the morning at 8 to 9. If you're okay.
Mm.
Are you comfortable or any particular time?
Yeah, because I have to 8 to 9. I'll be traveling to office, so
Okay.
uh, maybe
Yeah.
on weekends.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
Sorry, weekends. Weekends. Can we do it on weekends?
Only
Or
weekends.
yeah, or in the late in the afternoon, around six to seven or 7 to 8.
We have my work. Can we connect after 8:30 or 9?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
9 to 10 or an hour.
Uh, Okay, Srikanth, we can, sorry, Karthik, I think we can align on that because I work with the US team, right? Sometimes they will be available late night and they expect me to join the calls post 8 p.m. So we can align on that. Maybe we can discuss when we are available, and then
Yeah, sure.
we can schedule a ad hoc call.
Since it's a one-to-one training, right? So based on your both availability, you can manage. For
Yeah,
example, you are not
Yeah,
available any one particular day. If you can inform him like prior so that he'll be ready for next session.
yeah.
And also like in this case, we can plan for any 2 to 3 days in the weekdays and weekends any like 1 day like that we can plan so that we can complete this course as soon as possible.
yeah, would be better.
Okay. Thank you, Karthik. I don't have any other questions.
So can we start from like from Monday?
Monday, yeah, I will let you know because I need to prepare some.
Yeah, Ganesh, it's just we'll wait for another few days because we have some important meetings coming up, so I won't be working on SAS, and like I said, I have to connect with the US team late in the evening. So
Okay.
since we have some client visit planned in coming week, it will be a busy week for me.
So yeah, then in this case, you can let me know when you want to like start, so that like I'll inform.
Sure.
And
Sure.
also we can.
Sure, Ganesh. Well, I'll keep in touch. I mean, I will text you on WhatsApp. We can figure this out.
Oh, sure.
Okay. Thank you, Karthik. Thank you.
Thank you both of you. Thanks for your.
Thank you so much.